Hello there, and welcome to part 3 of 3 about the Danish salmon fishing. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to apply the gear we talked about in video 1, combined with all the techniques and small tricks of the trade from part 2, into where exactly to apply these out on the water. So I'm gonna show you some different stretches of water and show you exactly where the fish is gonna be held up and how to approach it. So basically, part 3, where do you find the salmon?